Well, what a day for the markets to have a record high. It is the June series expiry one day prior because of the holiday shift, and now we're virtually again knocking the doors off 19,000. So important to look at what the series was and what the triggers for today's expiry are. From the way the market's moving right now, it looks like it could knock at the doors of 19,000 towards the end of the session. Why do I say that? Well, because June series has seen a big move. In the last three series itself, including the gains that we've seen today, the Nifty has gained almost 2,000 odd points. So you have April 834 points, May 406 points, and June is around 775 points and counting as we speak. Active Nifty options today, 18,900 put has seen a remarkable amount of writing, while we still continue to see some open interest build up at the 19,000 call. So 18,900 put has close to around 2.4 crore shares in open interest, telling you that 18,880 to 18,890 would be an important support to watch out for. And from the looks of it, it's about 65 points from here, 75 points from here. The market is still going strong. The European futures pointing at a good opening, but 19,000 call, that's the mark that everyone should keep an eye out on. If the market sustains above that 19,000 mark for a bit, these call writers, all 2.3 crore share call writers of them, will have to open their unwind their positions, and as a result of which the market would move further higher. Over the last two trading sessions, we did see a lot of writing at the 18,800 call and the 18,850 call. Both of them have now begun to unwind their positions, and that's sustaining the up move that we're seeing on the Nifty. The Nifty Bank itself, now it's crossed past that 44,000 mark, 44,300 mark as well. So we're seeing some unwinding at the 44,000 call on the Nifty Bank, and at the same time we're seeing a lot of writing at 44,000 put, 44,200 put on the Nifty Bank. So strong support seen there, unwinding at the 44,000 call and some writing at the 44,200 put. Now the game will be at the 44,300 call. The 44,300 call too has been extremely active for a premium of 150 odd rupees. So if the Nifty Bank sustains above that 44,400 mark, roughly 50-60 points from here now, we will see further short covering on the Nifty Bank itself. And on the way down, of course, a firm line in sand for the Nifty Bank will be the 20-day moving average, a mark that it struggled to cross until yesterday's second half. So that will be an important level on the way down.
Okay, all right. That's the F&O action that's taking place right now. Thanks, Mangalam, for that. Let's speak to Ashish Kyal of Wave Strategy Advisors, joining us on the show now. Ashish, new highs on the benchmark. What are the charts suggesting now?
Hi, morning to you, afternoon to you, and Mangalam as well. Last time, Mangalam, if you remember, we were discussing that we should be closer to the lifetime high sooner when Nifty was just around 18,500. And here we are closing to that 19,000 mark. So it is very interesting to see over the past 14 weeks now, Nifty has not closed below the prior candle low. That's on the weekly chart, weekly time frame. If you check, it has not closed below the prior candle low for 14 weeks consecutive, and that's one of the biggest winning streak that we can see on a weekly time frame. The rally started from 16,800 and it is not stopping now. As of now, I think any dip from here on the downside towards the level of back to 18,920, use that as an opportunity to again buy Nifty for the targets of 19,050. But what remains to be seen is, will it cross that 19,000 mark? Because there is a huge call writing. If that manages to break and Nifty sustains above 19,020, another round of short covering can start, which can result into much higher levels. So in this entire move that you have seen over the past 2 days, it has been the call writers who have been panicking and resulting in the prices going up. So the overall outlook on Nifty is bullish. Use dips as a buying opportunity since we are a little overbought as of now. But do not try to catch a top here. It's better to get into the trend as unless and until a close below the prior week's low. So this week, if you look at it, this week low has been around 18,646, which is far away as of now. But use dips to buy and keep riding the trend.
Okay, and what would your individual technical picks be, Ashish?
The first stock pick on the buy side is going to be IndusInd Bank. We can clearly see Bank Nifty after a lot of time, consolidating after a long time, is breaking out, and IndusInd Bank is outperforming during this period as well. So looks like the stock has now again reversed back on the upside after forming a flat pattern. The targets comes to around 1430 over short term, so long positions can be created here, keeping a stop loss of 1288. And the next stock on the buy side is going to be JSW Steel. we can clearly see a strong bounce back in the stock from that 740 mark, which was the 20 days average. And the stock looks like starting the third wave on the upside, which can be impulsive and sharp. So long positions on JSW Steel, keeping a stop loss of 755 for the target of 838.
All right, Ashish, thank you for joining in and giving us your views on the markets as well as individual stocks. Point in on the call writing at 19,000. But take a short break, come back. We talk macros. In fact, Anand Ramanathan, who's a partner consumer